Welcome. Today is a very interesting topic, and this one is particularly important to intermediate level non-native English speakers as well as some advanced. Today's topic is 10 business English phrases to speak confidently in meetings and sound professional as a non-native speaker. And of course, is brought to you by Master English Communication. Let's not wait any longer. Let's just jump right into it. So, have you ever felt lost in a meeting? If you have, you are not alone. Right? Even native speakers sometimes struggle to express their thoughts clearly during meetings, whether it's a team huddle, a brainstorming situation of some type, or brainstorming session, or a sales review. Not having the right words can leave you frustrated or unheard, but the solution is easier than you might think. We're simply going to acquire some powerful phrases that can change everything. And I'm going to provide you with 10 of those today. The first is, what's the goal of this meeting? Simple phrase, right? What's the goal of this meeting? Why is it important? It's important because it sets clear direction. It gets everyone focused, and it shows leadership on the part of the person leading the meeting or facilitating the meeting. Number two, can you help me understand your perspective? Another simple phrase. It builds trust. It encourages dialogue. It reduces conflict. Can you help me understand your perspective? Number three, what are the next steps? Now, this one is important because you always want to leave meetings with action items. So this phrase helps to create accountability. It helps to avoid confusion. It moves projects forward. What are the next steps? Number four, I understand we have different viewpoints. Can we find a compromise? This phrase acknowledges disagreement, very common in business, but it keeps the tone respectful and it focuses on solutions. I understand we have different viewpoints. Can we find a compromise? Number five, let's recap the key points and action items. Clarifies responsibilities, prevents miscommunication, and gives closure and confidence. Let's recap the key points and action items. If you're finding this information helpful, please give us a like. Thank you. Number six, let's circle back to that later. So when do you use this one? When side issues come up. Very common in meetings that even though you're on one particular theme, something related to the theme, but not necessarily um, appropriate to discuss at that time may come up, what we call a side issue. The topic needs more info. Running short on time. Let's circle back to that later. Number seven, can we explore that idea a bit more? When do we use this? And why? It encourages deeper thinking. It highlights valuable ideas. It builds engagement. Can we explore that idea a bit more? Number eight, Let's agree on a timeline. I think we can all agree that as business people or we're going to become business people, without deadlines, ideas lose momentum. So we want to set clear deadlines. We want to maintain accountability. And we want to support productivity. Let's agree on a timeline. Number 9, can we park this for now? This prevents distractions, controls the agenda, and respects or is respectful while staying focused. Can we park this for now? Number 10, who needs to be informed about this? This works very well. Here's why. It promotes transparency. You're not trying to hide anything. It builds team alignment. As we say in English, everyone is on the same page. They understand who needs to be informed and who is on the team and who isn't. And it avoids miscommunication. So let's do a little wrap up here. As a leader in the meeting or a facilitator in the meeting, you want to do it like a pro. First out, you want to set clear goals. What's the goal of this meeting? You want to build understanding. Help me understand your perspective. You want to create action. What are the next steps? You want to find compromise. Can we find a compromise? And we want to ensure clarity. Let's recap the key points. So your action items are pick one phrase for your next meeting, or pick a phrase, and I would suggest pick a phrase for each meeting, a new phrase for each meeting. And reflect. Did this help? Did others respond better? In other words, the phrase when you used it in the meeting. And then share with us what's your favorite meeting phrase in the comments. So please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. It helps us help you. And we'll see you the next time as we continue our linguistic adventure together. Take care.